So with some of that background and context in mind, let's show you what a digital assistant on a website could look like. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Connor.
So like Jason prefaced, this demo is going to show you how a digital assistant can help customers get answers to questions regarding holiday shopping, whether that be Black Friday or Cyber Monday. The scenario we're going to go over, or the use case, would be a customer comes to a retailer's website and sees that there's a chat icon represented somewhere or a link that they can submit a customer service question to. As seen here on Fishbowl's homepage, you can see we have our floating logo down here that you would click into, and that would prompt the digital assistant to start. So now I'm going to move on to the demo portion and focus on a customer service digital assistant that includes more of a menus-based interface. That's a big factor with digital assistants being the user experience. Some users want menus, while others want it to just be text-driven. So this demo will show you kind of both of those options and see how both of those would work. So you have customers gearing up for Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping. One of the first things that they're going to want to do is see store hours for the locations that are near where they're located. So you're going to start by clicking into the menu, which is going to prompt the different options, which you can click through. And here you can see the second option is store hours. So we're going to click into that, which is going to pull another subset of options. There you can see the first option is store hours and locations, which we're going to click into, and that's then going to prompt us to enter our city, state, or zip code to figure out which store location is nearest to us. We're going to put in our zip code, which will now prompt us to understand where that store is located. So now that we know where the store that we need to go to is, we're going to be curious on what the Black Friday deals are and what particular we're going to be shopping for and focusing on at that store. So we're going to go back to the main menu and take a look and see if they have any promotions that they're running for Black Friday. This is one of the options in the main menu, but you can also go some specific product promotions they have, trade-in offers, and there's our Black Friday option for seeing the promotions that they're running for there. We click into there and see that they've got specific TV deals, laptop deals, and other promotions that they're running, and giving you links to click in and see what those are. You remembered that back in the menu for Black Friday, that there was an option for a specific product that caught your eye, being the AirPods Pro. This is a new product that's been released recently, and you're curious to see what that is, so we're going to click into that and see that there's a specific promotion being run for the Apple AirPods Pro, where when you buy a select Apple Watch and Apple AirPods, you'll save $45 on both. So now, so far, the digital assistant has helped us see what the store hours are and the locations nearest to us. We've been able to see some of the promotions that are being run on specific products that we might want to purchase. And now we're going to go ahead and purchase one of those items. We purchased an item, and now we're curious about a return policy because that item ended up not being what we wanted, or wasn't working the way intended. So we're going to go back to the main menu, cycle through here, and find the section where it focuses on returns. We're going to click into there. See that you can request a return or see the return policies. Then the digital assistant, as you can see, is going to ask whether you purchased that item in a store or online. In this specific scenario, we're going to say that we purchased that in store. This is then going to have the digital assistant deliver you the policies on how they go about returns. Here's now where I'm going to show you the transition to Service Cloud and the live agent capabilities. Through this, you can go back to the main menu, or you can just type live agent. This comes in handy because, the user is not fully understanding what the return policy is and has a specific scenario that they want to chat with somebody about. So they're going to go ahead and type live agent. Here, the digital assistant's going to make it clear that it's going to transfer you to a live agent. Now, here's where I'm going to show you the transition to Service Cloud and what the Service Cloud user would be seeing. So here you can see that back in the digital assistant, it's saying that it's transferring you to a live agent. And then over here on the other half of the screen, you can see that an incoming chat is coming to Service Cloud. That chat's going to be accepted. You're then going to see back in the digital assistant that live agent Megan has joined the chat and is curious how she can help you. You have a question regarding a gift card that you used to purchase, and now you're curious about how the return policy for that works. So you're going to ask, I purchased an item with a Visa gift card. What is the return policy for such case? So now you can see that that chat came over to Service Cloud. The return policy for gift cards is that you will be given the purchase price for the item back onto the gift card. If this purchase was in store, you may be given or reissued a new gift card for that amount. So you can see that answer then pop back up on the digital assistant, which then you can say, thanks. The live agent can then ask if there's anything else I can help you with. And at this time, we're going to say, no, goodbye, which will end the interaction with the live agent and will be the conclusion of the demo there.
So what Connor just showed you in a quick demo is really all about call deflection. So with Black Friday and the holiday shopping season coming up, retailers and other organizations are going to get a lot of questions from customers, and a lot of those questions are going to be common and repetitive across the customer base. So it's all about call deflection. So Connor's example again is very simple in terms of store hours and locations, Black Friday promotions, return policies, and then when there's more needed from an actual live agent, that seamless handoff over to an Oracle Service Cloud user or live agent in this case.